Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit and tap on this circle. Let me quickly remove the photo, and this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on this circle again, and now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will choose this option. Let me tap on it and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Let's do it. Now in this section we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. To confirm we have to tap on the stick icon again. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.